Hey guys, welcome to the WeCoach channel. My name is John Confrero. We are heading into Walmart. I'm by myself today actually to see if there's any more clearance stuff. Let's see what's inside. I remember this when I was a kid. Mr. Potato Head. Except we used real potatoes back then. These are only $5 right now. Can't beat that, $5. That's a good gift. Well, my kids are old and grown. No need for that for us. $5 right now. This is Snickers bar.
Wait, I take a picture.
No, you don't have to. I can take a picture. Hershey's. That's 3 pounds. 3 pounds of chocolate.
Oh my god. Oy,
$20. Sour Patches.
Wow.
This is my favorite, the Snickers. I like that. I like kids too. That's cool.
Yeah. Wow.
Or a gummy bear. Look.
Oh my god.
Lollipops. Look how big.
Yeah.
$7, $3 for these. I can't get it back in.
Look at this Beyond Ring Pop. Look.
Oh yeah, ring pop. Oh my gosh, heavy. 24.7 ounces.
Oh my god.
Giant ring pop. Been sucking on that for a while. $10. Not for me. So here we are back inside of Walmart, searching for more clearance deals or hidden clearance deals. We are about to uncover something really amazing, something very useful, and I believe you should look in your Walmart for this as well. It's something that you're definitely going to need at this time, and we're coming into the clearance aisle. So my Walmart has a whole clearance aisle. Some Walmarts just have it sporadically throughout the store, but this is a whole aisle of just clearance stuff. And I always scan things. I recommend scanning things because even though this hand sanitizer says $1 and this is 12 ounce, and later we find 34 ounce, comes up as 50 cents. Really amazing deal right now. So check it out at your Walmart. So here we are. I got the Walmart app. I'm scanning these just to make sure. Some of these are 34 ounces, all coming up 50 cents. 50 cents each, and these bigger bottles definitely worth a lot more than 50 cents. So great deal right now. If you need hand sanitizer, you will need it. Unbelievable deal in the 34 ounce. These are the bigger ones. I found 12 ounce, same thing, 50 cents, but we got all of them because it's just unbelievable. Looking for other deals. As well. There's a lot of makeup here, a lot of discounted stuff, a lot of stuff you can flip. We just don't need a lot of merchandise right now. We have 2 more pallets coming next week from Amazon, all new merchandise coming. So really, we're stocked up on shoes and clothing, but always fun to look at the clearance section. Here's some Halloween leftovers. I believe they're only 10 cents now. They're really cheap. So those smaller ones that mark 50 cents are only 25 cents right now. So check out your Walmart.
Customer service, you have a call on line 2. Customer service line 2.
So just scouring around for different items. Those are inverters, some DVDs, and PlayStation games, Xbox games. Good deals again. We're not really desperate for any merchandise whatsoever. But if it's stuff I can send into Amazon, which this I could, I thought about it, but just not enough profit there. And we're just scanning things. I always have fun looking at this aisle. It's just, you never know. Every day is different. And every day, like yesterday, we went and we bought a lot of hand sanitizer at the 50 cents. But today, the larger bottles were in there. Same price, 50 cents. These I thought about it as well. But again, just don't have the time or the space right now. I'm not really sure what this is. A handheld SD card viewer. Not sure why you would need that. I guess if you want to look at a SD card in the car or something, or playing movies on the road or out in the trails, I suppose. Didn't look that one up. So just, you never know. These are a good deal too. Just don't have the space. They're actually less than 50 cents as well. They're about 25 cents. All those beach balls and inflatable pool toys. Great time to stock up. We do have a store that will be opening up soon. It would be awesome because we're right by the beach here in Florida. You can see our cart's full with hand sanitizer. Probably have a lifetime supply now. Not looking to flip that. We'll just keep that because never know when we're going to need that. We're in the new normal here, so we'll be using hand sanitizer a lot more. Here's a paper shredder, 25 bucks. That's a really good price on that. Probably could flip that. I didn't look it up, but again, not desperate for, not looking for stuff really at all. These were interesting to me. I saw these the other day. They're still sitting here at $6. They are a slime kit made by Elmer's Glue. I'm waiting for those to get like cut in half, the clearance in half, because you can make some money even right now with those. But I'm waiting to see maybe in the next couple of days we go back to Walmart. They're still sitting there and they're like $3 or $2.50. I'll certainly grab them at that point. Here's some protein and stuff like that. Doesn't look, not everything's a great deal in this aisle. This seems quite expensive for a little jar of this. So definitely left that behind. Here's a blender, caught my eye. Never know. There's all kinds of stuff, and you just never know what you're gonna find in the Walmart clearance aisle. Now, our Walmart has the clearance aisle, but also on end caps and throughout the store, there's clearance stuff. So just gotta download the app and scan. Loaded up here, cart with a lot of hand sanitizer. Enough to definitely serve us for a long time to come, but it will get used. It's not something I'm going to flip. We're just going to keep this. It's not that much, actually, so was going to keep it. Here I am checking out 34 ounces. Here's the bigger ones, and you can see all coming up 50 cents. 50 cents. That one's scanned twice, so I just put the next one in the cart. But I'll show you. You can see it's 50 cents on the screen there. Couldn't get it to work. But unbelievable, 34 ounce. I thought the 12 ounce was a great deal at 50 cents, but 34 ounces is a big jug of hand sanitizer. This is going to last a while. We got a lot of these. So check your Walmart. I've seen these in their store for a month or two now, but not at 50 cents. So you cannot beat that, So that's what we wound up getting today, amongst some other grocery items and other things we needed. But, never know. I always check when we go in Walmart and just download the app. It's free, so you can always check and see for yourself what kind of deals are out there. Drop it down in the comments below if you have this deal by you. I'd really be interested to see if in other parts of the country, if you have these kind of deals as well by you. I'm sure you have something like this or something different, maybe even better. So let us know here in the comments down below. Appreciate it. So there you go. Again, this is 12 ounce hand sanitizer, labeled $1. This is why you guys got to use your Walmart app. 50 cents right now. Those smaller ones were ringing up 25 cents. I left those behind. Still incredible deal, 25 cents. But this is a big 12 ounce pump style. I cleared the shelf out. Great deal. 12 ounces, 50 cents each. I don't know how many I got here. I got two different varieties. It's the clear one and then the one with the aloe, the green one. And it's really awesome. 99.9% effective at killing germs. So thanks guys. That won't go bad, that stuff either. It's great. We'll keep it, use it ourselves. Maybe we'll sell some. I don't know. Give it away. The deals are there, guys. Go into your Walmart, use your app, and see what you can find. There's a lot of hidden clearance items too, so that's a perfect example of that. See you on the next one. Thanks for joining us at the WeCoach channel. My name is John Caprio. We'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.